Third class science, sixth lesson, parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Already in previous classes we discussed parts of a plant. Yes, parts of a plant means plant parts. Say the plant parts: stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, stem, leaves, branches, flowers, leaves and birds. These are the parts of a plants. These parts are called as, these parts are grow above the ground. Yes, stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, birds. These all parts are the grow above the ground. Above the ground parts called as shoot part. SHOOT. Shoot part. Yes, and below the ground part is root part. The below grows part is called as root part. ROOT, root. Stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, birds, fruits. These are the parts of a plants. Yes, these parts, some parts are the grows above the ground. Stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, birds. These parts are the grow above the ground. These are called as shoot part. It is called as shoot. Yes, below the ground grows a part is called as root part. Already we will discuss. Today we will discuss types of root. Today we will discuss root system, types of root. Types of roots. Okay. Roots are the two types. Two types. Roots are the two types. First one, tap root. TAP, tap, ROOT, root, tap root. Okay. Second one, fibrous root. Fibrous root. Okay. These are the types of a roots: tap root and fibrous root. Okay. First we will discuss tap root. First we will discuss tap root. Tap root. Okay children, tap root means when main root, first plant stem attached to the main root. Okay, stem attached to the main root, and this main root grows from end of the stem. The main root grows end of the stem, and this stem attached to the grow small roots. Okay, here see once. Okay, it is a tree. Above the tree, shoot part. It is a shoot part. This stem is attached to the one main root, like this. One main root. It is a one main root. The root is grows from below the ground. Okay, below the ground. Root is grows below the ground, and it grows backward direction. It grows backward direction to soil. It grows soil. Okay, not above the ground. It is a below the ground, backward direction. Okay, the tap root is attached to the stem, one main root. It is a main root. This main root attached to this and attached and grow so many tap roots. ఇలా మెయిన్ రూట్కి అటాచ్ అయ్యి రూట్స్ small roots grow అవుతాయి like this. ఓకేనా? Attach it to the main root and grow small roots. Okay, once again I said taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is a main root. This main root attached to grow small roots and many small roots. Okay, it is a taproot. It is a tap root. Can you understand, children, how to grow taproot? This stem is attached to the one main root. This main root attached to this attached and grow small roots. Okay, for examples, this type of plants, taproot plants. Okay, taproot plants. Examples of taproot plants: balsam plant, beans plant, rose plant. Okay, rose plant and mustard plant. These are the taproot plants: balsam plant, beans, rose, mustard, and etc. These are the taproot plants. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss next type, fibrous root. Okay, can you understand, children? First, today we will discuss parts of a plant. You know already parts of a plant: flowers, stem, branches, and flowers, birds, leaves. These are the parts of a plant, and this upper part is called as shoot part. Below the ground part is called root part. Already you know shoot part. Leaves, stem, branches have a shoot part. Root part root is a two types. Root is a two types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. Today we will discuss taproot. Taproot have a main root first attached to the stem, main root, and this main root grows from end of the stem. Okay, and this main root attached to the grow small roots. Here see, it is a taproot picture. The stem is attached to the main root. This main root grow and attached and grow small roots. It is a taproot plant. Examples of taproot: balsam plant, beans plant, rose plant, mustard plant, and etc. Okay, this is a taproot. Okay, thank you.